Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Come on. Get him tired a little bit. And now we wait. I'm also gonna try to get some shad right now while I'm waiting. We're getting small tugs on one of the lines. I'm getting something. Oh, whoa, whoa. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's coming this way. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, that's a good one. This is a new spot. What is that? Drum. Big old drum. Well, at least it's a fish. I didn't get skunked. And that's a big old drum. Come on. Time to rebait and throw it out there. I don't know. I'm thinking about keeping this guy for bait. All right, we'll see. All right, got something. White bass. Yeah, we moved to another fishing spot because the other one wasn't working out. No fish or anything. And we've been here for about 30 minutes. And nothing, not even a nibble on the catfish rods. But I started fishing with the rooster tail, and this is the first fish I got right here. Maybe they're still around here. I'm gonna throw it a couple times, see if I can catch some more. No, got one. That's a decent one. Well, a catfish. A catfish on a rooster tail. Yeah, it's not the first one. I tend to catch catfish a lot with the rooster tail. Ugh. There we go. All right. Got a little catfish, rooster tail. I guess rooster tail works for catfish too. See a little bit. All right. Got something. Don't tell me it's another catfish. Come on. I saw it splash. I thought it looked like it was another catfish. Oh man, he's pulling. It looks like another catfish. What the hell? Well, I guess I need to throw it over upstream over here, then throwing it downstream that way. Because those two rods, which are the catfish rods, have not even had a nibble. And I'm over here with the rooster tail trying to catch white bass. And I'm catching catfish. Well, all right. All right. Calm down, little guy. Yep, looks like it's a small blue. Come on. Small little blue. All right. Second catfish on the rooster tail. Less than 5 minutes. See that little guy? Oh, maybe I should keep you. I don't have any more catfish. Alright, well, see ya. He didn't want to be lunch. I don't know. I don't blame him. Alright, back to fishing. Maybe I'll catch another catfish with a rooster tail. Alright, we're getting to our spot. I finally got a big gizzard shad. And I'm going to use this guy for bait. We got something. Looks like it's a good one. Yep. Oh, I saw him splash. He's coming this way. Yeah, he's going this way. Oh. Oh, yes. 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 Cigar. That's what I wanted. Yeah, it's a cigar. Awesome. Awesome. Come on, come on. Ah. Don't go. Don't. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Come on. Get him tired a little bit. All right, let's see if I can pull him in. Let's see if I can bring him in. Oh, no, no. Get him tired, come on. Get him over here. Oh, he's on. Come on, guy. Come on. Get over here. Let me see if I can bring him in. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah. Yeah, I got him. Awesome. All right, let me get my phone and set up the camera. Well, set up my phone as a camera. All right, so we got this big gar right here. Now I gotta get him hooked. Crap. Oh. Oh. Yep, don't do that. You just got me. I have no rope or anything, so I'm gonna have to use this. Oh, oh. All right. That's a nice car. Ooh. Heavy. Been wanting to catch one of these guys for a while. Finally did it. Finally did it. Big old gar right here. That's awesome. That is awesome. Oh man, these things are beautiful. Man, look at their teeth. Whew. They got some really gnarly teeth. That'll do some damage. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Awesome. All right, time to put this guy back in there. All right, time to get a look at him one more time. Oh man, these things are slippery. Big old guy, beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh yeah. All right, time to let him go. Oh. Wore me out. All right, guy, get you back in there. Get you back in there. Come on. Get you back in there. There he is. He's wore out. He's moving his gills. Man, these guys have armor. Look at this thing. Let him relax for a little bit. Awesome. There he is. There he starts. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Yes. Oh yeah. First time catching a gar right here in this river. I've got gar in other spots here in Oklahoma. First time right here. I've hooked onto some, but I've never landed one. First time right here. I love it. Yes. All right, well, let's continue. All right, so we've been here for about 30 minutes after catching the gar, and we have not had any bites or anything like that. No action. So it's time to call it a day. Catching the big old gar, that was probably the most exciting trip that I've had on this river in a while. And I loved it, but hopefully it gets better. Also, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.